Hello, my name is Danny Five, and I will be doing a slime review of my homemade slimes. This is my first video, so please like and subscribe. Yeah, let's get started. So first off, I have this peach slime that has purple pom-poms in it. I really like it. It's a fluffy slime. I know you guys can't tell, but yeah, and it smells just like shaving cream. So